In front of me is CAT S42, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. So at first, let's open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and click on accounts. Now tap on add account and pick Google because it's all about Google account. Obviously you need to be connected to your Wi-Fi or any other network, and now just provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. In my case it's email address. And press next. And now it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Now go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, click on I agree. And this is it. Click on accept and the operation is completed. You've just added a Google account. And if you'd like to remove it, this one or any other Google account, open accounts again, mark the account that you would like to remove, select remove account, confirm it, tap on OK to confirm, draw your unlock pattern, and that's it. As you can see, it's no longer connected with your device. You will see it within a couple of seconds, just like this. So as you can see, if you click on accounts, it is no longer here. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.